How to tell when someone leaves a Discord server. So if you want to know when someone leaves the Discord server, then first let's open up the Discord application and make sure to log into your account. Once you open your Discord, now you can go to your server. And once you open your server, now you can go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and you can go for your server settings. You can go for settings, which is on the right side of your screen. And once you tap on settings, here under your settings, you will have audit log on the third option. Tap on audit log, and once you've chosen audit log, now you can tell when someone leaves a Discord server. You will get the notification here. You can go for filter, which is on the upper right, and here you can choose filter by user or filter by action. And once you go for the audit log, then you will have all of the notifications. If someone leaves your Discord server, then you will get the notification here and you can get to know that. So that's it. That's how you can tell when someone leaves a Discord server. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.